Europe, a continent steeped in history, is home to more than just the famous Paris, Rome, and London. It houses a myriad of hidden gems awaiting your discovery. These lesser-known European capitals of culture are brimming with unrivaled charms and fascinating histories. From the sun-kissed shores of Malta to the ancient hills of Bulgaria, each city is a unique tapestry of cultural richness that promises to captivate the curious explorer. So, without further ado, let's start our journey of discovery and unveil the first city on our list. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the fortress city of Valletta in Malta. A testament to the power of resilience, Valletta is steeped in rich history and is a treasure trove of Baroque architecture. The city is adorned with traditional Maltese balconies, painting a picture of elegance and charm. Beyond its architectural beauty, Valletta boasts a vibrant cultural scene that pulses with life, offering a delightful fusion of past and present. A city that beautifully blends the old with the new, Valletta is a cultural jewel waiting to be explored. At number 4, we journey to one of the world's oldest cities, Plovdiv in Bulgaria. This ancient city breathes history, with its Roman theater standing as a testament to times gone by. Meander down the vibrant streets of Kapana, each corner bursting with color and life, a true testament to the city's artistic spirit. Ascend to the hilltop Old Town, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. With its rich history and colorful culture, Plovdiv is a city that captivates and intrigues. Next up, at number 3, we delve into the Frisian culture in Leeuwarden, Netherlands. Leeuwarden, the capital of Friesland, is a canvas painted with the vibrant shades of a rich history and unique Frisian culture. From ancient stonework dotting the cityscape to the innovative art projects that push the boundaries of creativity, Leeuwarden is a testament to the harmonious blend between past and future. Leeuwarden, a city where tradition meets innovation, is a cultural experience you won't want to miss. Finally, at the top of our list, we have 2 remarkable cities: the cave city of Matera, Italy, and the maritime city of Rijeka, Croatia. Matera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famed for its ancient cave dwellings known as the Sassi. These homes, carved from rock, bear witness to a bygone era, their stark beauty a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. On the other hand, Rijeka, Croatia is steeped in maritime heritage. This coastal city boasts a dynamic art scene that perfectly blends with its historical roots. The Trsat Castle, perched high above the city, overlooks the Kvarner Gulf and offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking. From Matera's ancient caves to Rijeka's vibrant maritime heritage, these cities stand as testaments to Europe's rich and diverse culture. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore these uncharted cultural capitals of Europe.